Hey guys, welcome back. So today we're gonna go over 10 luxury items that I will not be buying in 2022. It's kind of scandalous. I feel like there are some things on this list that people are not gonna be so happy about. But listen, I'm just giving you my opinion, okay? At the end of the day, everybody's allowed to like what they wanna like, and just because I don't like something that you maybe like, doesn't mean anything. Like, we can still be cool. If you guys follow me over on Instagram, which you definitely should if you don't already, it's just the Katie Danger. I'll pop it right here. I post every single day over there, so definitely follow me over there if you're not already. But if you do follow me, you might actually know what some of these things are already. I definitely give you the inside scoop over there, okay? That's just what it is. So you might already know, but something that I am notorious for is saying that I will not buy something and then almost immediately buying it. So definitely take what I'm saying with a grain of salt, okay? I am allowed to change my mind. So if you guys are interested in seeing the 10 items that I will not be purchasing in 2022, then please just keep on watching. But wait, you already know what I'm going to say. If you're not already subscribed, explain yourself. I post on Wednesdays and on Sundays at 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And I think you're gonna wanna be here when I do. If you like luxury, if you like fashion, if you like jewelry, you like handbags, any of those things tickle your pickle, I think this is where you're gonna wanna be. So definitely subscribe if you're not already. And with that out of the way, let's roll into the video. I will be looking at my phone because I do have my list right here. Okay, wait, where is it? That's not it. Where is it? Here it is. So the first item will definitely not come as a surprise to anybody, but let me just let you know. Let me just get it out of the way so we can talk about maybe some more surprising things. The Chanel 22 bag. I do not like it. I think it looks like a garbage bag, and every single combination that I see, for some reason, it just looks worse and worse. I don't think it's attractive at all, and especially now that it's having like all these issues, like everybody's complaining, it's peeling, it's cracking, it's just like, it's not worth it at all. And it's like $6,000 for a bag that looks literally like a Glad bag. Stop it. Not only that, but I feel like there was negative thought put into the making of that bag. Like, I feel like Chanel is just sitting there and they're just like, you know, what can we do that's new and innovative? Let's make a freaking drawstring backpack, kind of like that one that Kyle is using, that bag that you got over there, Kyle, that you use for the gym. Let's make that, but let's just write Chanel across it, okay? Let's not think about the design whatsoever, not even a little bit of thought. Like, I will not be buying this bag in 2022, 2023, 2024, 2025. I don't care what year it is. It could be 2083. And if I'm still here, I will assure you in 2083, the Chanel 22 bag will not be propped up behind me. I promise you this. Another handbag. I think most of these are really handbags. There's probably one thing. Yeah, that's pretty much only one thing on here that's not a handbag. The Balenciaga Le Cagole. I don't know if that's how you say it. Le Cagole. Le Cagole. Le Cagole. I cannot scroll on Instagram for more than 30 seconds without seeing this bag somewhere, and I'm just not understanding it. I'm not understanding it. I think just because it's trendy, that's why people are buying it, which is fine. Like, if you're into trends and that's like what you want to do, like, you know what I'm saying, do you live your life. But if you just take the trend factor away from the bag, that shit ugly. The hardware is just not it. The shape of the bag, the little mirror thing that hangs off of it. It's very Y2K, like, I'll give it that. But I'm just not here for it, okay? And if you guys follow me on Instagram, you definitely know I have talked a lot of shit about that bag. I definitely have. And I don't plan on slowing down because I don't like it, and I don't understand why it's so appealing to so many people. It does nothing for me except anger me that I see it every 5 seconds. That's really all it does. All right, guys, let's talk Hermès just for 1 second, okay? If you follow me on Instagram, you probably already know that I do not like the Picotin. That is accurate. I do not like the Picotin, but that's not the bag that I want to talk about today. I want to talk about the Lindy bag. I do not understand why everybody likes the Lindy bag so much. I cannot understand it. I think this is the weirdest bag that I've ever seen in my entire life. And I think if this was not an Hermès bag, nobody would like it. Which, I mean, like, if we're gonna be honest, that's kind of the case with most luxury handbags, okay? Like, if some of these things were not Chanel, I probably wouldn't be so excited about them like that. I definitely get that. But for me, this bag is just not it. The shape, the straps, the opening, like, everything about it just doesn't make any sense to me. It doesn't look functional. It doesn't look appealing. It doesn't look like it's gonna go with my outfits, like any outfits. Any outfit that you could possibly put together. I don't like imagine it with a Lindy and then being like, oh yeah, that pulled it together. Like, no, That lady damn well did not pull anything together. You will cut that out right now. That is a lie. That is a lie. I don't know. This bag to me is just, it's not a vibe. It's not a vibe. And every time I see someone unboxing it, I'm just kind of like, are you sure that's what you want? I'm never gonna tell somebody how to spend their money. That's never what I'm gonna do. You will not catch me doing that. Please buy what you want, buy what you love. I don't want, and I definitely don't love. A Fendi piece. Now, I'm definitely not like huge on Fendi. I know Fendi's having like a moment right now. The Fendi Sunshine shopper tote. That bag is enormous. It looks like a Dior book tote, but it just has those little tortoise handles, and that's what everybody's losing their mind over. And the fact that it has like an additional strap that the Dior book tote doesn't have. And I believe it is cheaper. I believe it's cheaper than the Dior book tote. I feel like I see everybody unboxing this bag, or everybody's wish list has this bag on it. And I just don't understand it. And every time I see like a shopping vlog and someone passes by it, they're like, oh my God, look how beautiful this is. But is it beautiful? Is it? For me, it is just a combination of it's boring and it's just way too damn big. And I also know that they have like a really teeny tiny version of it that's like vertical. I do not like any type of vertical bag. That is just a me thing. I mean, listen, I know I have very boring taste, okay? You can clearly tell that she's boring. I get it. But for me, I'm just giving you my opinion, okay? It's a no. It's a big old no. I get that the tortoise handles are like really cute, and tortoise is also having a moment right now. I'm good though. I'm good. All right, let's talk about Goyard. Let's talk about it. Also having a really big moment right now. Definitely, you see Goyard everywhere. I don't even know if I'm saying that right. Goyard. Goyard. It doesn't sound right. Goyard. I feel like that doesn't sound like that's the way you're supposed to say it. But that's the way I'm gonna say it. They're definitely having a moment, okay? There's no denying that. But I will not be partaking in said moment. I don't really like anything from Goyard. I'm not even talking about any specific bag right now. I'm talking about anything from the brand. There is nothing from Goyard that interests me whatsoever. I know they have that really cute little like top handle bag that I feel like I'm seeing everywhere, and they have it in so many colors. That pattern is not attractive. I am sorry. That does nothing for me, okay? I can't like imagine myself again putting together an outfit and being like, oh my gosh, this Goyard bag would look so cute with this. No, I don't think it will though, is the thing. I don't think so. No. I also feel like their tote bags look so flimsy and like cheaply made. Now, I don't know if that's the case. I've never experienced one in person. I'm just telling you from what I've seen virtually. They don't look like something that took hours to put together, or like that has such great materials. They just look kind of like flimsy, like, you know, like a bag that you get from Target when you're like checking out, and it's just like the bag that's there. I also know that Goyard is like super exclusive, and like you need to like know to know, and like you need to be in with the it crowd. Like, I'm good. I don't need to be part of the it crowd. Like, I'm okay. Like, you guys go have your thing. Go be a clique over there. I can't sit with you, and that's fine with me. Like, I'm okay with it, okay? I feel like I am being such a bitch in this video. And listen, the thing is, like, this is just my opinion again. But let's talk about Longchamp. I don't like any of the bags. None of the bags. Zero of the bags. I mean, they're all the same bag, are they not? Just the same bag in like a bunch of different sizes, and they're like foldable. I understand, like, that's cool and all. I'm okay, okay? Almost every single girl in my high school had a Longchamp bag, and I never knew what it was, but I would just see everybody with this damn bag, and I was always just like, what is that? Like, why does everybody have this damn bag? If I'm gonna buy Longchamp, like in my head, like I might as well go buy a Juicy Couture tracksuit at the same time. You know, like those are the two, or like a pink sweatshirt, like, you know, sweatshirt that says pink from Victoria's Secret pink. You know what I'm saying? I'm good. Like, I graduated high school, like we did that. Like, I'm okay. I've moved on with my life. And so Longchamp, she's not coming. She's not coming here. She will not be joining the family, especially not in 2022. Hell no. So number 7 is something that I see on social media constantly, and I mean YouTube, Instagram, TikTok. Like, it is everywhere. This bag is everywhere. And not that I don't get the appeal, like I kind of get the appeal, but still not gonna buy it. So the Loewe Puzzle bag, the caramel color, I don't know what it's called, from Loewe is stunning. It's like the most beautiful, rich, chocolatey, like brown. It is gorgeous. I think we can all agree on that, okay? But why do I need a bag that looks like that? Like, it just looks like it's been like, it looks like a freaking Rubik's Cube, but in triangle form, okay? A Rubik's triangular prism, that's what it looks like. And I don't understand why I would want to carry that. I don't know, like, what outfit I could put together. I guess maybe it's just my style, because I do dress more on like the girly side. That's how I feel like I dress, at least. So I can't like envision like the super girly outfit and then like a Loewe puzzle bag. Like, what? All right, this one I need to talk about it. I need to talk about it. And I feel like no one else is talking about how ridiculous of a bag this is. But I'm gonna be brave, and I'm gonna stand up, and I will fight for the justice that we deserve, okay? This Prada Raffia tote bag. What the hell is this? And why are we spending more than like $7 on this bag? Somebody explain it to me, because I'm not on the same wavelength that everybody else is on, okay? Because I see this also everywhere. And I understand that it's like inexpensive. Like, in the grand scheme of luxury handbags, it's an inexpensive bag. Like, I can understand that. We can be on the same page when it comes to that. But because it's inexpensive for luxury does not mean that it's inexpensive, period. That is just not the same thing. And it's actually ridiculously expensive for what it is. Like, ridiculously, like the markup on that is like insane. I think it's cute for like the beach, and that is it. That is the only acceptable time, in my opinion, that you can wear this. And is it worth it, spending, you know, like that much money on a bag that you're gonna wear only to the beach? I don't know who told you it was worth it. Never speak to them again, because it's just not true. It's not it, and that's bad advice. Anyone giving you advice like that, that's not your friend. See, I'm telling you, I'm coming at you from a place of love. That's not your friend. The Celine Triumph bag. I don't know if that's how you say it. Triumph. You know the bag I'm talking about, okay? It has a little emblem on the, it's a little, you know the one. I think this bag is super cute, and I have nothing against the bag. My issue is with Celine. I don't know if I'm the only one who like kind of puts this together in my head, because I feel like I haven't really heard many people talk about it. But the fact that Celine went from like one brand to like one whole totally completely different brand, that doesn't rub me the right way. I 100% understand, like, it's different creative directors, it's like a whole new direction, and honestly Celine was kind of dying before the rebrand, so like I get it, like I understand completely, and this rebrand was completely necessary. However, the rebrand just makes the bags dated, in my opinion. And like, who's to say in another like 5 years there's a new creative director and the brand doesn't take a completely different turn, and now the Triumph looks like how, you know, like the luggage bags look now, you know? It's kind of, it feels like this is what it feels like to me, okay? That's a better way for me to explain it. So they were on a real big high with the luggage bags, and then they came down, like down. I feel like down, you know, like a spike down. And now they're going a real big high again with the Triumph bag, and I feel like it's just gonna do the same thing. So for that reason, that's why I kind of feel like I would stay away from that bag. Me personally, please buy whatever you want, but for me, I am definitely staying away from it, and that is kind of my explanation as to why. But again, I do think it's a really beautiful bag. And the last item that I will absolutely not be purchasing in 2022 is, and definitely the most controversial, the Cartier Love bracelet. I love me a good bracelet. I do. And I definitely have more bracelets on my wish list. If you guys haven't seen my wish list, I will link it right up here. I definitely want more bracelets. But the Cartier Love bracelet is just not one of those. There's a couple of reasons for that. The main one being I am not so attracted to it. Like, it just is not as like pretty or fun, I guess, as some of the other options. Like the Cartier Justin Clou, I want that. I definitely want that. Obviously, I love, well, I don't know, but I mean, I love Van Cleef, so I definitely want more Van Cleef bracelets. But the Cartier Love bracelet is just so like plain, and that's from a person who owns 2 Cartier Love rings, okay? The fact that you can't really like put it on and take it off by yourself is kind of annoying. It's kind of really annoying to me, and I feel like I would not be on board with that. With these bracelets, I mean, like this one I take off obviously because it's black onyx, but this one I pretty much leave it on all the time, but I like that I have the option to take this off and put it on whenever the hell I want, okay? If I want to, it takes not even 10 seconds for me to take it off. It takes a little bit longer to put it back on, but I can do it by myself. If I was to get a Cartier Love bracelet, it would be the bangle versus the actual bracelet. But even that, I'm just not very drawn to. Like, I would rather get the Juste un Clou or get, you know, another Van Cleef piece. Like, the Love bracelet is just, it doesn't do anything for me. And I know that's like a staple piece for a lot of people. And if it is for you, like, that is great. It is a great piece. It's just not one that calls out to me. Let me know what you guys think about some of the picks that I had. I am sure you guys are at least mad about one of them. Okay, so if you are, that's fine. You can let me know in the comments. If you agree with me on any of them, please also leave that in the comments. I am very interested to hear what you guys think about the picks that I had. I mean, there are definitely more things I'm obviously not buying in 2022, but these are kind of the ones that stood out to me the most. So I figured we would just discuss. So let me know what you guys thought about them. If you're not following me on Instagram already, definitely do that as well. Definitely subscribe if you're not already, and give this video a thumbs up if you did like it. That's all that I have to say for today's video, so I will see you guys in my next one. Bye. 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 Bye.
Have a good day. Bye.
Have a good day. Bye.